The feasibility and operating model of Kingfisher plc UK with SWOT, 6 Ps of marketing, and a feasibility study lens. Good morning, everyone. Today I'll unpack how Kingfisher plc operates, why the model is feasible and durable across Europe, and the operator's playbook to run it well. We'll move through 4 parts. 1. The operating model. 2. A feasibility study view. 3. The 6 Ps of marketing. And 4. A crisp SWOT. Then close with key performance indicators that keep the flywheel spinning. 1. The operating model. How Kingfisher wins multi-brand portfolio. 1 category. Kingfisher is Europe's largest DIY/home improvement retailer, focused on one category through distinct banners that serve different customer missions and trip types. B&Q, UK, Big Box DIY and Garden for Households and Light Trades, project inspiration, design services, installation options, and wide decor ranges. Screwfix, UK, compact trade counter format aimed at pros, contractors, installers, with rapid click and collect, tight MRO/tool ranges, and aggressive availability standards. Castorama, France, Poland, family-friendly DIY superstores with strong project guidance. Brico Dépôt, France, Spain, depot-style, price-led format for value-seeking DIY and trade customers. Assortment architecture, breadth covers building materials, tools, plumbing, electrical, paint, garden, decor, and appliances. Kingfisher leverages own brands, e.g. a unified design system under a single master brand architecture to deliver value, differentiate features, and protect margin. Omnichannel and fulfillment. All banners blend stores with digital. Search online, check stock locally, buy online and collect fast, or schedule home delivery, including bulky. B&Q prioritizes project visualization and installation journeys. Screwfix emphasizes speed and availability for time-critical jobs, supply chain and sourcing. Scale buying across banners, regional distribution centers, and direct-to-store flows for heavy, bulky categories. Common ranges and shared specifications reduce complexity, while local tailoring preserves relevance. 2-engine demand model. DIY/households. Inspiration plus projects plus decor. Trade pros. Repeat. Time-sensitive baskets. Credit, quotes, and job site delivery from selected banners. This dual engine smooths seasonality and creates natural cross-sell. 2. Feasibility study. Is the model viable? Market demand. Europe's housing stock is aging. Repair, maintenance, and energy efficiency upgrades drive recurring, needs-based demand. Garden and outdoor living add seasonal peaks. The pro segment provides frequent, predictable turnover. Competitive landscape. Key competitors include category specialists and value formats across the UK and continental Europe, DIY chains, trade merchants, and general e-commerce. Kingfisher's moats: multi-banner coverage, own brand margin, dense store networks in core countries, and rapid trade fulfillment via Screwfix. Site and network feasibility. B&Q's big box footprints need high traffic access, yard space, and garden centers. Screwfix thrives in small, conveniently located units near trade corridors. Continental banners flex between suburban retail parks and urban infill. Unit economics: 4 levers, comp sales, DIY traffic plus pro ticket growth. Gross margin mix: own brand penetration, installation/services, operating leverage, labor scheduling, utilities, shrink, transport, inventory productivity, turns, and GMROII, helped by common ranging and fast click and collect. Operating feasibility. Execution rests on reliable in-stock, vendor partnerships, clear planograms, seasonal resets, and robust order management for BOPIS/collect in minutes. Mixed fleet, big box plus trade counter reduces risk and improves local market reach. Macro and regulatory context. Home improvement is cyclical but resilient. Energy rules and building standards continue to favor insulation, heating, and efficiency categories. Currency and import costs require disciplined pricing and hedging. ESG and product safety compliance are embedded in sourcing and packaging. Conclusion: the Kingfisher model is feasible and scalable across its core geographies when operators protect the flywheel: price trust, availability, speed for pros, and inspiration for DIY. 3. The 6 Ps of marketing for Kingfisher. 1. Product full-line hardlines, plus décor with project-based adjacencies, e.g. bathroom, vanity arrow, tap arrow, trap arrow, sealant. Own brand innovation to meet good, better, best price ladders and improve margin. Services where relevant, design consults, installation, tool hire by market. 2. Price. Everyday value with event-based promotions, seasonal, bank holiday clearance. Trade pricing and quotes for pros via Screwfix/selected banners. Bundle/pack sizes for job lots. Clear price architecture to manage FX/commodity swings without eroding trust. 3. Place B&Q/Castorama/Brico Depot. Destination big box locations with garden and bulky access. Screwfix. Dense, compact network close to job sites and ring roads. Omnichannel. Check stock by store, rapid click and collect, scheduled delivery, and post-purchase support. 4. Promotion. Digital circulars, search/social, how-to videos, live demos, and seasonal storytelling. Trade activation, early hour events, vendor days, targeted push notifications, and account-based offers. Localized campaigns around energy savings, garden season, and DIY refresh projects. 5. People. Department experts for project-led selling, paint tinting, plumbing advice, tool selection. Pro-facing counter teams trained on speed, accuracy, and substitutions. Incentives tied to NPS/OSAT, attachment, safety, and fulfillment, SLAS. 6. Process standard planograms and replenishment cadences, cycle counts, and shrink routines. Order management SLAS for BOPIS/collect in minutes. Delivery windows for bulky categories. Vendor scorecards, OTIF, returns, quality, and continuous improvement trials, A/B tests, micro-format pilots. 4. SWOT, operators' view strengths. Europe-wide scale with multi-banner strategy covering DIY and trade missions. Strong own brand penetration and specification control. Omni-channel readiness, particularly fast collect for trade missions. Diversified country exposure, UK and continental Europe. Weaknesses, exposure to macro cycles, housing transactions, consumer confidence. Complexity of cross-border operations, regulatory, language, assortment, localization. Large format cost base, energy, leases, and seasonal labor challenges. Opportunities. Deeper pro penetration via Screwfix style expansion and services, quotes, credit, delivery. Energy efficiency and retrofit, insulation, heating, smart controls. Marketplace partnerships and extended ranges online. New small box formats and urban infill for quick mission trips. Threats, price pressure from value retailers and online pure plays. Supply chain shocks, logistics, FX, materials. Regulatory shifts impacting assortments, ESG, safety, chemicals. Talent scarcity in specialist departments and delivery crews. Operating playbook, what great looks like. Availability and presentation, 95% in stock on A SKUs. End caps that tell a project story. Clean power aisles, speed for pros. Doors open early. Dedicated parking/loading, quote to collection within minutes, hot shot deliveries where offered. Attachment logic, paint, rollers, tape, vanity, faucet, P-trap, sealant, garden tool, battery, safety gear. Omni-channel discipline, web/app prices synchronized, click and collect under tight SLAS, parcel plus bulky delivery orchestration, seasonal excellence, vendor co-planning for spring garden, weatherproofing, and holiday decor, clear post-season markdown ladders, safety and shrink, weekly toolbox talks, top shrink SKU audits, CCTV and controlled exits. Run it by the numbers, KPI stack, sales, comps, pro mix percent, average ticket, transactions. Merchandising, gross margin percent, own brand penetration, promo lift, attachment rate. Supply chain, in-stock percent, fill rate, OTIF, inventory turns, damages. Operations, labor productivity, shrink percent, safety incidents, BOPIS/collect wait time, delivery on time percent. Customer, NPS/OSAT, repeat rate, app MAUS, trade account growth. Kingfisher's thesis is clear. Own home improvement across Europe through distinct but complementary banners, inspiration and big projects at B&Q/Castorama, speed and precision for pros at Screwfix, and value-led missions at Brico Dépôt, all stitched together by omni-channel convenience and own brand innovation. The feasibility case is strong as long as operators defend the flywheel, price trust, availability, pro speed, and disciplined processes. Keep those tight, and Kingfisher's banners will continue to power Europe's renovation and building projects from inspiration to installation.